Hello guys, today we're gonna use printmaking techniques to create our collage material. So I am using a natural leaf because I have a rose bush at home. So I just took one leaf. You can go outside and take some leaves from around you or use whatever plant you have at home. And so I am using regular acrylic paint, and maybe you need some water depending on the texture uh, of the how thick the paint it's gonna be. You have to try. And then I am using just regular white paper and then craft paper, different materials that I think I could use later on in my art journal or for creating a postcard or a tag or whatever. So for example, here I am using tissue paper of Dina clay that has already a cool pattern. So I am creating even a double pattern with the leaf. So you have a lot of possibilities. The impression is not super perfect, but I absolutely love that. And you can even complement it with graphite or ink and do some drawing on top of it. And here you have all the things, all the material that we have created in just one session. Here I am just using the remain paint for creating the first layer for another collage material, just using the paint. And I will show you one example in my art journal where I use this technique. And as you can see, I use it as a focal point. And that's it for today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!